Hey guys, we're back in New Jersey. This project has less than a 6-year payback. What we're doing is removing an old, underperforming system and installing something smarter, stronger, and state approved. We removed the old panels and racking system, and now we're laying out the new BSE modules. This new system will generate 237 kilowatts of clean energy using 432 bifacial solar modules, each 550 watts. Installed by our in-house team. It's powered by 4 SMA 50-watt kilowatt inverters and backed by state-approved programs, including net metering and a production meter for renewable energy credits. This project was designed by Big Shine engineers and will be completed in under just 3 weeks. We'll also handle ongoing metering, maintenance, and support. It's a full turnkey solution built for long-term performance. If you're planning a solar upgrade or just want to understand how payback programs work, reach out. Big Shine Energy is here to guide you through every step.